Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Coach Koko and I love volleyball. So much so that my channel is filled with tips, tricks, hacks, and anything you could ever need about volleyball. So today we're gonna be talking about the best volleyball tryout outfit to wear during tryouts. Let's get right into it. So if you're gonna be trying out for volleyball pretty soon, you've probably seen a ton of my tryout videos. Now in this video, I really wanted to show you more so what I'm talking about a great tryout outfit, things to wear and things not to wear. That way we are always prepared when we go to tryouts and we feel comfortable and confident. So let's get into it. So we're gonna break this video into a couple of segments: the top, the bottom, the socks, and the shoes. So we really want to talk about every part that comprises a great volleyball outfit. Let's go. your volleyball tryout outfit gonna look like? Put it in the comments below. So I really hope that you guys like this video. Also, I have an overhand serving course out now that's on Teachable, so check in the description box below, and I will see you guys next time.